This next example in 4.3 day 2 it goes in a little bit different direction than our last two examples. In the last two examples, we've been given certain values for different trig ratios, which we still have, but then we're asked to find certain other trig ratios. Well, now we're actually asked to find the special angles. So finding special angles here, this only works if we're talking about the types that are 45, 30, 60, those types of angles. And we're looking for those things here. We're going to try to figure out, okay, which of the special places around this circle where is it going to be located, essentially. Now, one thing is that we're going to find the value between 0 and 2 pi. So that means radians. So we're going to be reporting this out in terms of pi's in the answer. But then also between 0 and 2 pi means it's one turn around the unit circle. We're not going to go any farther than that. Like last time, as I was saying, like last time, we're going to decide first of all which quadrant we're in. So we've got that the cosine is square root of 3 over 2, and that sine is negative. Well, if cosine is positive, that's going to mean over in one of these two, sine being negative, that's going to be down here. And so refer back to your map from the last example if you like. That means that we're going to be dealing with the fourth quadrant. Now it says here that the cosine is square root of 3 over 2. Now cosine, whenever you see square root of 3 over 2, we are talking about a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And it says here that the cosine is square root of 3 over 2, so that's the part that goes along the x-axis. So we want this one to be square root of 3 over 2. If that's one of the legs, the other leg that comes down here, that's going to be the 1/2, or negative 1/2 in this case. And then the hypotenuse is going to be 1. So given that setup, what we're looking to do then is determine which angle was it where are we located on this unit circle. Now, I like to think about the reference angle first, just thinking about 30, 60, or 45. And in this case, the 1/2 is across from the 30, so this reference angle is 30 degrees. Now that's not my answer, because my answer, the question being here, where is it located on the unit circle? So if I go over here now to my circle and I'm 30 degrees below the horizontal axis, and it's between 0 and 2 pi, I'm going to go around here, and it's this one. So this 330 degrees, which I don't want it in degrees, I want it in radians. And so what I'm looking for is that location right there. That means that my theta, or my answer to this one, is 11 pi over 6. So we're always going to be looking for some answer here in radians, basically just the location of this information that we started with.